Hello children, there is always a confusion between factors and multiples. So let's study factors and multiples today. Before beginning factors, let's revise these terms. The number which you divide is known as dividend. The number by which you divide is known as divisor. The number after division comes, that is known as quotient, and leftover is remainder. So whenever you divide any number completely without leaving any remainder, so that divisor is known as factor of that dividend. Okay, here 7 is the factor of 56. Why? Because 7 is dividing 56 leaving no remainder, leaving 0 remainder. That means 7 is dividing 56 completely. Now if you do it vice versa, that means you make quotient divisor and divisor will become then quotient. 8 sevens are 56. So 8 is also dividing 56 without leaving any remainder. That means 8 is also dividing 56 completely. So 8 is also the factor of 56. So whenever you are dividing any number, the divisor and quotient become the factor of dividend. That means 8 multiplied by 7 equals to 56. So 8 and 7 are factors of 56. Okay. Now see, whenever you have to find out the factors of any number, say you are finding out the factors of 12, you will find out the numbers which are completely divided by the 12. That means in that table 12 comes. So 1, first of all, 1 is factor of all the numbers. Why 1 is factor of all the numbers? Because all the number comes in the table of 1. So 1, 12s are 12. So 1 and 12 are the factors of 12. Then we will see in 2's table. Yes, 2, 6 are 12. That means 2 and 6 are also factor of 12. Then I will see 3. Yes, 3, 4s are 12. So here if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. That means in these tables 12 come. That means 12 is completely divisible by these numbers. Let's see one more example. If you see the factors of 16. So 1 is the factor of all the numbers, and all the numbers are coming in table of 1. 1 16s are 16. Then 2 8s are 16. Then in 3's table 16 doesn't come. In 4's table 4 4s are 16. So factors of 16 will be 1, 2, 4. 4 we will write only once. 2 times 4 we need not to write. Only once 4 is enough. So factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now if you see these numbers, you will come to the conclusion that factors of any numbers are fixed. Like in 12, I have 6 factors. Like in 16, I have 5 factors. Okay, any number of factors of any number is fixed. Now third thing, what? The smallest factor of the number is 1 and the biggest factor is number itself. Here also the smallest factor is 1 and the biggest is number itself. And the third thing, 1 is the factor of all the numbers as all the numbers come in the table of 1. Then what is next? Okay, now if I have prime numbers. Prime number means the numbers which have only 2 factors. That means which go only in their own table. Now 19 if I say. The factors of 19 will be 1 multiplied by 19 equals to 19. No other table 19 comes. Okay. So no other factor. So the factors of prime number are 1 and the number itself. Factors of prime number are 1 and the number itself. There are only two factors of prime numbers. Okay. Then if you see 1, factors of 1. The factors of 1 is 1 only. That means 1 is the only number which has only one factor. 1 is the only number which has only one factor. It means what? 1 is a unique number. Why? Because it has only one factor. It is neither prime nor composite. Now multiples. What are multiples? If you multiply any number, the product becomes the multiple. The number which is always divided by. If you remember in factors, I told you 7 8s are 56. Okay. So, I told you 7 and 8 are the factors. But what is 56? 56 is the multiple. These two are factors because these two we are multiplying. And this product is known as multiple. So, multiple is what? Multiple is the product of two numbers. If you multiply any number with the other number, then we get multiple. Now let's see 2. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. This way if you see, these are the multiples of 2. But you can multiply with any number. You can multiply with 1 lakh. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 2 lakh. ये भी multiple है क्योंकि ये multiply करने पर मिला है हमें. 2 multiplied by 1 crore will be 2 crore. 2 करोड़ भी आपका मल्टीपल होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद मिला है. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ एनी नंबर आर इनफाइनाइट. दैट मीन्स दे कैन गो टू इन्फिनिटी. ये इन्फिनाइट होते हैं. ठीक है. सेकेंड थिंग, इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई एनी नंबर विद 0, द मल्टीपल बिकम्स 0. 3 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. 90 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. That means 0 is multiple of all the numbers. 0 is multiple of all the numbers. Now, if you see 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. That means the first multiple of any number is number itself. The first multiple of any number is number itself. So, multiple of numbers are equals to number or bigger than number. Or bigger than number. Clear? But factors, if you remember, factors are always smaller than number or equals to number. तो factors क्या होते हैं? छोटे नंबर होते हैं. यानी कि नंबर से छोटे नंबर हुए. और multiples are always equals to or bigger than the number. And then multiple of any number is fixed. If I say fifth multiple of 12, that means 12 को आपने किससे multiply किया? 5 से. 12 5s are 60. If I say ninth multiple of 9, so 9 9s are 81. So these are fixed. So let's revise. See, what are multiples? Multiples are the product of two numbers. They are multiple. Okay. The multiples are always equals to or bigger than the number. 0 is multiple of all the number. When you multiply the number, you get multiple of 0 is and then multiples are fixed. If I say fifth multiple of 12, so you will get 60 only. Okay. Always remember, factors are the numbers that divides and multiples are the numbers which are divided by. Here 12 is dividing 60. So 12 is dividing. So 12 is the factor and 60 is divided by. So 60 is the multiple. So always remember these two terms, divides and divided by. Okay. And multiple, M for multiple, M for multiply. So product is multiple. Clear? I hope the confusion between factors and multiples is clear to you all. Happy learning. Stay safe. Bye.